Okay, so I'm about to do a water change on my fish tank after the move to clean it up because it hasn't had a good water change on it for a while since I haven't been taking care of it. I have removed all the plants and all the stones, which are, you can't really see it down here in the floor. Yeah, that's a better view. I got my siphon down here, which is ran over to my sink. It's a 25-foot siphon. It's a good thing to have. I'll be taking the water level down a little bit less than halfway. Well, a little bit before halfway, so I don't take too much out. Okay, so this is a prime example of why you need to clean your tanks if you don't have a live bed periodically. See all that dirt and all that's coming out of there that creates nitrates and nitrites, which are very harmful to your fish. Another good idea, which I forgot, is you want to cut off your filter in this process. So, oh gosh, just unplug it. You just want to go along your gravel, letting the siphon do all the work, just sucking all that dirt out of the gravel. This will help you with your water quality. If you're keeping snails, this will also keep your snails from dying and the shells from decaying. If you're also having a lot of issues with your pH, this will also help bring your pH back up to a good level, because all this nastiness in the tank is what causes it to drop. You just want to do this across the entire tank until you get either to your point of what level of water change you're looking at, or you're seeing very little dirt coming out. Well, when I get there, I'll be right back. Okay, so the next step I like to do, I take my aquarium thermometer to the sink, and I try to get the water to about the same as the temperature in the water in the tank, or a little bit lower. If you go lower, it just simulates like a rainfall in the wild. So it's a little good for the fish to have a little bit cooler temperature sometimes. So for me, all I have to do is take my siphon hose and hook it up to the sink adapter. Screw it on there. Cut it on. I get my right temperature. I've already tested this, so I know it's about right. And then when I get it, just flip that valve, and it goes over to the tank, and it fills my tank. Now this time, I add Prime into my tank. The Prime will get rid of the chlorine. It's the best product at the moment I have found. For this size tank, I myself just do a lid full. For a smaller tank, I would actually measure it out, but that's about the right amount for this tank, being that's a 55 gallon. And as you can see, I still have that piece of driftwood in there, and that's for my catfish, so he doesn't get too stressed out during this process, since he does not like being out in the open. On another note, if you're a person about to do a filter change, that would be a great time to do a water change as well, do it before you replace the filter. Let the tank clear up and then replace the filters. That helps get rid of some more of the dirt. Okay, so I got the tank cleaned. I have replaced all the stones, all the plants, and moved the driftwood back to where it goes. The tank looks a lot better now. It's a lot clearer. Still going to take another water change or two to get it to where I'll be happy. But I got some nice caving going on for the catfish and the plecos. I like what I've done with the fake plants I have at the moment. Hoping to change that soon. So if y'all have any ideas, let me know. I like to see what y'all guys think. Live plants won't work in this tank because those guys right there will eat them. So I gotta stick with fake stuff. So if y'all know of anything like y'all like, let me know. Okay, so now, just to see if he'll do it, I'm gonna try to get my pleco to eat a pellet out of my hand for y'all. See. There we go, he's eating. Even after 2 years of not having my tank, he'll still eat out of my hands. So, makes me feel a little good that they would still eat out of my hands, so yeah. Okay. There you go, guys. Thank you.